Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. I am just going to be doing the profit and loss history recap for the month of August. So all the trades we took for cryptos, stocks, options, crypto leverage and crypto spots. So everything's going to be recapped in this video. So if you guys want to keep up to date with how I'm doing, it's going to be pretty interesting. So hopefully you stick around until the end of the video. All right, so let's get right into it. Let me just get back to my profit and loss history. There we go. So right now, you guys can probably tell in the month of August, we actually did quite well with our options account. And again, everything that I'm going to be reviewing in this video are trades that I post in options, stocks, margin trades for crypto, and spot trades for crypto as well. So obviously, this is the options trade channel. We also take some high risk trades there as well. But overall, the options were doing very well. We actually closed one on 1W which was a put option up 3,400%, coming up to a grand total for the month of August of $3,495. Again, only two trades here, but adding up to the profit. So those are stacking very nicely. That brings us to a total of 50 trades for the year so far. So essentially a 20% gain on the starting balance of 160,000. That brings us to a current balance of 192,000. So doing very well this year. Obviously, we are going to take a little bit more losses in this account than in this stock swing trading account because this one it's a little bit more high risk. We're playing with options and sometimes they can expire worthless. And we actually took quite a bit of a big loss the other day on the UNG trade. Again, those calls didn't ended up playing out, but it was within my risk tolerance. All right, let's move on. Let's take a look at this stock trade. So the stock trades doing very well as well. We actually closed more trades, obviously, in the month of July. July, we only closed one trade, but for the month of August, we closed out a couple trades here, 4 trades actually. The biggest one, obviously, on the Tesla. I think this was a short position that I had, and I actually took it off the table. And that brings us to a nice little profit of $1,000 for the month of August. So again, still a lot of positions to be closed, but I am holding them. But right now, the market is definitely going in our favor, and it's not gonna top any of the other trades, other months that I had throughout the year. But our grand total is now $22,391 in profit. We can move over to the crypto making profit loss history tracker. We actually have a win rate of 95% on 66 trades. We actually lost 3 trades this year on this account so far. Year to date, our percentage gain on our starting balance is 17.22%, and our total profit is, I already recapped it, but our current balance now is $152,391.95. All right, let's move on to the margin trade. So everyone loves this one, because these ones are the trades that most people take inside the Discord, that most people sign up. And if we move over down here to the month of August, we actually took a total of 14 trades. Obviously, we won 10 out of those 14 trades, and again, those losses were minimized with stop losses. And again, these ones on BLZ were actually stopped out completely because due to the high leverage and the volatility of BLZ. If you guys notice, this crypto has been going up and down like crazy. So I actually lost my shirt on a couple trades here. I actually made a good amount, but decided to ended up stopping to trade after the second loss I took on it. But overall, our profit for the month was 752 USDT and 63 cents, bringing us to a grand total for the year of $3,772 in profit. And if we move over here, our starting balance was 5,000, and again, the percentage gain is astronomical on this account. It's up 75% throughout the year. Our current balance is now $8,772, and we have a 65% win rate. And we do take many trades with different types of leverage here and there. Sometimes we take some 5x trades. Sometimes I take 25x leverage trades. But yeah, overall, the month of August, there were some 25x trades, and there have been some swing trades with 5x leverage as well. And then again, the 5 times leverage doing very nicely, but sometimes when we up the leverage, the returns can be pretty crazy as well. But overall, doing very good. I know a lot of people, they join the margin trade channel. Just know that this is my return throughout the entire year, right? 75%. I am not on my entire account. I didn't get 75% in 1 week, right? So if you're joining in the my service to get access to the trades that I post, and you're hoping to get 75% in 2 months or even 1 week, it's not going to happen, right? Maybe if you all in your account, you can do that, but the risk is astronomical, right? Because sometimes we take some losses, right? It's not always that we're gonna get the trade correctly, right? It's a probabilities game, and we do it with risk management. You're only using a small percentage of the portfolio with more leverage, and that actually adds up. All these trades add up over time, and we get some really nice returns. So again, you just want to be patient. Just know that trading isn't a get rich quit scheme. It's a marathon, and you gotta keep going with it, and you can't just expect to get rich so quickly, right? Anyways, we'll move on and we'll take a look at the spot trades, the final one. So the spot trades channel, also another crypto service, but this one has no leverage. And actually, I didn't make it green here, but it's okay. So for the month of August, I actually closed out one of the grid bots that I've been running, and it actually came out with a $1,456 gain, a 29% return, and that brings our grand total up to $3,072.35 USDT profit for the year. We have an 85% win rate so far year to date, and a 25% return on our starting balance of $12,000, bringing your current balance to $15,072. So I actually have a few open trades in spot crypto, but they haven't played out yet. I'm just waiting for them to get into the money, and then I'll probably close those trades out. But overall, this is a slower type of service, more passive, but the returns are still there. So if you're a little bit more passive in crypto and you just want to swing trade the markets, then this one might be a little bit more for you than this very extremely active one. You guys can probably tell, we've taken over 167 trades this year, and then this one we've only taken 41. So it's all up to you. You can look at the profit loss history from last year, right? Last year was at 25% as well, and we had a 93% win rate, and the returns were $2,509. And right now we're at $3,000, and this one was still. We're actually 3/4 of the way through the year, because I'm making the video in September now, and the returns have been the same. So I'll be excited to see how far we're gonna take this. And actually, this one we started in April, so it's a little bit later. This one we've had a full year, so it's gonna be interesting to see how we're gonna do it until the end of the year. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to sign up to my service and get access to all my trades that I post, either for crypto, stocks, or for both, you can bundle them up together and get access to the trackers that I'm posting in these videos right here. You can join in right here with Discord Premium. It'll bring you to a link, but you could also get a bit of a tutorial, not a tutorial, a preview of how the Discord is set up, how the trade signals are sent, and we do have a Telegram service where if you don't want to be in the Discord and it's just too noisy and you just want to get the trade signals, then in that case you can also get that. But yeah, I think you have to get the one or the other memberships. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, leave a like and subscribe. Peace, and have a wonderful weekend, guys.